Have you ever felt your whole world collapse in one day? That was me, and I thought there was no way out until a single moment changed everything. I woke up that morning to silence, the kind of silence that isn't peaceful, it's heavy. My phone had no messages. My bank account had zero balance, and my dreams, they felt like they were slipping away. I had lost my job just days before, and I could feel my family's disappointment pressing down on me. I went to the kitchen. Nothing to eat. I sat on the floor and asked myself, how did I get here? How do people survive when everything falls apart? That week, I wandered through life like a shadow. I slept in my car one night because I couldn't afford rent. I skipped meals. Every door seemed closed. Friends didn't answer calls. Opportunities vanished. One night, lying awake in my car, staring at the ceiling, I thought, maybe this is it. Maybe life is too hard. But a small voice inside whispered, write down 3 things you're thankful for. I wrote, 1. I woke up today. 2. The sky is still blue. 3. I have a chance to try again. The next morning, something shifted. Not completely fixed, but lighter. A tiny spark of hope. One morning, I opened my Bible almost by accident. My eyes landed on Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. I felt warmth spreading through me. For the first time in days, I believed maybe God wasn't done with me yet. I reached out to an old mentor, someone I hadn't spoken to in years. He listened, encouraged, reminded me of my talents. That call alone shifted something inside me. Hope began to return. I started small. Daily habits. 1 resume sent. 1 gratitude journal entry. 1 prayer each morning. Slowly, doors opened. A friend recommended me for a new job. Another invited me to a networking event. Small steps became momentum. I worked hard. I stayed consistent. Every night, I reminded myself, this struggle is temporary. I am stronger than my fears. Weeks later, I landed a job better than the one I lost. I rebuilt relationships. I realized the darkness I feared was preparing me for something greater. Life will break you sometimes, but God can rebuild you stronger than before. I am no longer afraid of struggle, because even in the hardest moments, hope exists. If this story reminded you that hope never leaves, and even your darkest days can turn into your brightest, please subscribe to this channel. Share this story with someone who needs it today.